students, now I'm going to start question number 4 of exercise 5.1. Now question number 4 says if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 3 centimeter and AC is equals to 8 centimeter. Which one of them lies between the other two? Now suppose if there is a line, okay, say this is point A, point B and point C. Okay, you can take point C also at first. Say this is C, A, B. So here length of AB is given, which is 5 centimeter. Length of BC is 3 centimeter and length of AC is 8 centimeter. We will have to say that which point lies between the other two. Like here B lies in between A and C. In this case A lies between C and B. Okay. Similarly, according to the question, the line segment AC is the largest one. So we will draw AC of length 8 centimeter. Okay. Suppose this is 8 centimeter. Now the length of AB is 5 centimeter. Suppose this is 5 centimeter. Okay, say this is B point. So AB is of length 5 centimeter. So what will be the length of BC? If the total is 8 centimeter and the length of AB is 5 centimeter, then the remaining is 3 centimeter. So the length of BC will be 3 centimeter. So here we can observe that point B in between of A and C. So question was which one of them lies between the other two? B lies in between of the other two. Okay. Now if you draw the line at first and then you draw AB of length 5 centimeter. Suppose this is A and this is say B point. Okay, and this is of length 5 centimeter and BC of length 3 centimeter. Suppose here is C point and this is of length say 3 centimeter. So here also B lies in between of this AC. So that means which one of them lies between the other two? We'll write the answer B lies between the other two. Okay. Now question number 5 says verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Now what do you mean by midpoint? Now suppose if I draw a line segment say 6 centimeter. Okay, say this is A and this is B. So the length of AB is 6 centimeter. Now midpoint always divide the line segment into two equal half. So here if I take the point C here, so the length of AC is 3 centimeter and length of CB is also 3 centimeter because 3 plus 3 is 6 centimeter. So that means this C is called the midpoint because midpoint always divide the line segment into two equal half. Here AB is the line segment. Now midpoint C divides the line segment into two equal half. So AC and BC. So here AC is of length 3 centimeter and BC of length 3 centimeter. Okay. So all total we have 6 centimeter. So here in this question we will have to verify whether D, okay, is the midpoint of AG. So as I said, midpoint always divide the line segment into two equal half. Okay, so let us check whether point D divide the line into equal parts or not. So here if you count the number of unit here from A to B 1 unit, from B to C 1 unit, from C to D is 1 unit. That means from A to D we have 3 units. 1 plus 1 plus 1 we have 3 units. Okay. Similarly, now from D to G we will find, see, D to E is 1 unit, E to F is 1 unit, okay, and F to G is 1 unit. So here also from D to G is also 3 units. So here that means point D divide the lines into 2 equal half, right? So we can say that DES. So we will write D is the midpoint of AG. Okay, so this was question number 5. Thank you, students.